Vadapav, a popular Indian street food. Today we are making simple and delicious vadapav. Ingredients. For the vada fried donut. 1 cup gram flour besan. Half a cup whole wheat flour. 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder. 1/4 teaspoon red chili powder. 1/4 teaspoon garam masala. 1/2 teaspoon salt. 1/4 teaspoon baking soda. 1/4 cup lemon juice. 1/4 cup water. Oil for frying. For the pav bread. 4 to 6 pav buns or soft buns. For the chutneys. Green chutney. Tamarind chutney. Green chutney. 1 cup coriander leaves. Half a cup green chilies. Half a cup garlic cloves. Half a cup ginger. 1 tablespoon lemon juice. Add lemon juice and water to make a thick batter. Salt to taste. Instructions. Tamarind chutney. 1 cup tamarind paste. Half a cup date syrup. 1/4 cup water. Salt to taste. Prepare the vada. Mix flour, spices, and baking soda. Shape into small donuts. Fry in hot oil until golden brown. Don't over-fry vadas. Prepare the pav. Toast pav buns lightly. Assemble vada pav. Place a vada in each pav. Apply green chutney, tamarind chutney. Adjust chutney quantities to taste. Tips. Use fresh ingredients for best flavor. Add chopped onions, potatoes, or peas to the vada batter. Variations. Use different types of chutneys or spices. Here are the approximate calorie counts for vada pav. Vada fried donut 150 to 200 calories. Pav bread bun 100 to 120 calories. Chutneys and spices 50 to 100 calories. Total 300 to 420 calories. Breakdown. Fiber 2 to 3 g. Protein 5 to 7 g. Carbohydrates 35 to 40 g. Fat 15 to 20 g. With cheese or mayonnaise 100 to 150 calories. With extra chutneys or sauces 50 to 100 calories. Baked or air-fried vada 50 to 100 calories.